Okay, in this video we are going to look at how we can play music in the background and how we can play a music file. So here I have created a new script named music.py. So it is in my working directory. So here first, you go to the terminal, and here I have installed some module named pygame. So to install pygame, you can write pip install pygame. So once you have installed it, here I have already installed it, so it will not install it again. So in case it will install it in your libraries. So once you have done it, here from you can from from pygame import type mixture. So you need this mixture. Next we have to initialize a mixture. So mixture dot you can use init. Okay, once you have initialized this thing, next up you want to do is like mixture dot music dot load. So this is used to load a file. So what you have to do is like if you are in the working directory, so let me find my script named music.py, and I will open in Explorer, and here paste your mp3 file or the music file you want. So remember its name and the format, and once you have paste the music file, you can close this. And, next, as I'm in the working directory, you can use the inverted commas, and here you can call test as my music file name is test. So here basically I'm loading this music file, so this will play in the background. So if I run this now, nothing will happen. Okay, to play you have to do something called mixture dot music dot play. So it will start playing in the background. But if I run this now, nothing will happen because the code will end after in this line. So you need to stop the code from being exit. So to prevent that, I will use an input prompt. So here I will write please enter something to stop the code. Okay, or maybe you can use a while loop or something like that to prevent this from finishing the execution. So here we will pause and it will wait for the user input. So now if I run this, play this, the music will start playing, and here you can notice that you can type something, and if I press enter it will stop. So this line here prevented the code from being executed. So this is just to pause, but the music will play in background. So here you can do any other kind of coding. So let's say age equal something 34, and print maybe age, and next we get some name, maybe name equal input, please enter something, please enter your name, maybe. Okay, new line character, and next after you have print the name, so name or something like that. So basically you can do any code, and if I run this now, it will play in background, so it will ask my name. So when I press enter, it will print my name and stop the music. So there are different methods to play, stop, and repeat and other things. So basically you can try this, and you can give, this is the current, this is inside my current directory, so I can use the name directly. So if it is inside another directory, you may use the path to that file. So this is the basic example that helps you to play background music, so by using the pygame module. So hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much for watching.